Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Are you ready for the next time that you need to tape something? My husband and I do a lot of selling online, and because of that, we need a good tape gun on hand because we like to repurpose boxes that we've received from shipments. We're not settling for less than the royal treatment. That's why we have these Tape King packing tape guns. Not only do I ship a lot of things, but I've also moved homes more than 25 times in my life, so I know the value of having a good tape gun. And let me tell you, these ones are top of the line. The handle is very comfortable and it has these nice notches for your fingers to fit into so that you don't get discomfort or fatigue when you're doing a lot of taping all at once. Now, even though I've used tape guns many times throughout the years, I didn't know what this little knob on the front was for. Did you know that that's actually a brake? By adjusting the knob, you can actually change the speed of the tape coming out. Sometimes I'm just reaching blindly into the bin that I keep these tape guns in, and since the blade has a cover, I know that I'm not going to cut myself, which I really like. So just remember to take off the cover before you start taping, which I have to admit I have forgotten a couple times, but it's really easy to remove and then put back on. This is such great value. You not only get 2 tape guns, but also 2 rolls of tape with this set. They're quality, they're comfortable to use, and that's my point of view.